Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And since it's October, I will be doing Halloween looks all month. So, of course today, Cheshire Cat. It was one of my favorite looks and I'm so bummed that I didn't get any pictures when I went to EDC because this is one of my favorite looks, honestly. So, yeah, so let's get started and thanks for watching. Alright, so starting off, I will just be priming my eyes. Now that I've primed my eyes, I will be using a base color, and I'll be using this white color from the Maybelline Quad Amethyst Smokes. And I'll just be applying this with my finger. And now for my transition color, I will be using a rust kind of red, orangey brown color. This is from an icing palette I got from Claire's. Going back into my Maybelline Quad, I will be using the lid color. And this one is kind of a pinkish violet color. Next up, I will be using the crease color, and this one is more of a deep purple. And I will be using a clean blending brush to blend it out. So just go into a circular motion up until the highest point of the brow, and then swipe back and forth. And now to curl my eyelashes. And now I will be using a Q-tip to get rid of any moisture in my waterline. And I will be using a yellow color from my BH Cosmetics 120 color palette, and it's the first edition. It's a matte yellow, and I will be coloring in my waterline as well as the inner corners of my eyes. And now going back to my rust color, I will just be coloring in on my lower lashes. And now just a bit of the deep purple, also again on my lower lashes. Just to finish off the eyes, I will be using two mascaras. First, I will be using a purple mascara. This one is from NYX. I will just be using this mascara from the roots to almost to the tip of my lashes, but not quite. Now for the pink mascara, also from NYX, I will be using this for the ends of my lashes. Alright, so now that my eyes are done, I will be continuing with the rest of my face. I already have my base done, my face makeup done. So I will be going in with this NYX Liquid Illuminator, and it is in the color Gleam. Going back into my BH palette, I will be using a hot pink and using a blending brush and down the side of my nose. And I will still be using this hot pink for my cheeks as well. And now I will be using a royal purple and another blending brush. And this one I will be applying right under the pink on my cheeks. And also I will be using purple just right above that pink I applied on my nose, but not pushing it too far. You don't want to cover that pink. Okay, now for the mouth, and this part can get a little tricky, so what I like to do, I use a white liner to outline the mouth and then go over with face paint. So I'll just be starting right under my lips. And now right above the lips. Now I will be using a black face paint. This one is by Chameleon, and I will be using a painting brush. This one is in number 6. Okay, now to fill in the mouth with the white paint, and this one is also from Chameleon. So once it dries, go back in with the black face paint. And first off, I will be starting with the whiskers. And now for the teeth. And that's it. So hopefully you guys like it, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.